$175 a day for liking Facebook posts. If you know how to tweet, like a post on Facebook, or upload a video to YouTube, it's simple and will provide you with step-by-step instructions than today's available job could be the simplest money you ever make. Job title: get paid to help businesses post content to their social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. Job description: we're looking for ordinary folk from Azerbaijan to help online companies promote their businesses through social media using their phone or tablet, both Android and iOS. You don't need to know anything about social media advertising, as this is an entry-level position and full training is provided. Pay $35 an hour, $175 a day. Location: posting to social media accounts is obviously done online, so this is a remote position available to people from. Requirements: you need 3 things. 1. An internet-connected device such as a laptop, phone, or tablet, Android or iOS. 2. Internet access, 5 hours available each day to use social media to promote these companies. Experience necessary: have you ever tweeted or made a Facebook post? Then you have all the experience you need to start this job. These businesses are looking to hire regular social media users, not social media advertising executives. Better yet, we offer full training on everything you need to know so you can pocket your first $35 an hour ASAP. There is high demand for new workers to start on these jobs right away. Click the button below to apply now. Click here to apply.